and knocked the kitchen clock off the wall. Sounded like a time bomb.
Last spring, Delaware resident Jerry Litton experienced a direct hit from a lightning bolt.
Lightning hit the top of the tree, blew wood all over, and it followed underground electric 250 feet up to the house and took out the TVs.
Lightning strikes the earth an average of 100 times a second. It's Mother Nature's way of releasing built-up charges.
I've never heard anything so loud. It was just a flash boom, just real quick. I remember myself being blown backwards from the blast. I could feel the tingling throughout the entire lower half of my body.
Several years ago, I talked to Athens police officer Rick Crossan, who was struck by lightning under an awning in Hocking County, many miles from a storm. That's the most dangerous kind of lightning, a bolt from the blue. Positive lightning can travel more than 10 miles from the top of a distant thunderhead and still deliver a lethal blow. Amazingly, a single bolt is about as wide as your finger, but reaches temperatures 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun, or about 50,000 degrees. We average about 40 days a year with thunderstorms, and even a modest cell can produce cloud-to-ground strokes. Lightning is created by the circulation of warm, moist air. Ice and water in the storm accumulate charge, and radar studies show that storms with heavy downpours produce more frequent, dangerous cloud-to-ground lightning. If you can hear thunder, lightning is too close for you to be outside, and it's essential to seek immediate shelter until the storm passes.